Hello friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we talk about basics of PowerPoint. If you don't know about PowerPoint, then this video is for you. Now let's start the topic. The very first is, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a closed-source commercial presentation program developed by Microsoft. In this video, the content we will cover, the very first is open a presentation, how to open a new presentation, how to save a slideshow, create a new slide, add slides, then insert pictures in our presentation, insert clip art, format pictures, format fonts, header and footer in our presentation. The rest of the topics we will cover in our next video. Firstly, we have to know what is PowerPoint ribbon. During this presentation, we will refer to the PowerPoint ribbon in terms of navigation the program. The PowerPoint ribbons are like File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, View. The ribbon is the strip of buttons across the top of the main window. Users can access anything the program has to offer through the ribbon. The next one is how to create a new presentation. The very first step is select File, then New. Select File, then New, and create the new presentation. This is our starting presentation. The shortcut for this task is hold the Control button and then press N for New. The next one is open an existing presentation. Select File, then Open. Select File, then Open. Then select a PPT from the desktop and then click on Open. This is the presentation. The shortcut for this task is hold the Control button, then press O for Open. Next one is how to save a presentation. Firstly, select File, then Save As. This is my old presentation. We want to save that file. Click on File, then click on Save As, then give a name to the presentation like My PPT. Then select the folder where you want to save your PPT. I want to save it on desktop. Then click on Save. My file is saved on my desktop. I will show you. This is my presentation, my PPT. Then the next one is add a slide. How to add a slide on presentation? Go to the Home ribbon and select the New Slide button. I will show you on my PPT. Go to Home and select the New Slide. You can see here is the new slide on my PPT. The next topic is Insert Picture from Files. Go to Insert ribbon, then select Picture. Locate the image file from the folder to where it is saved. Select Insert from the dialog box. I will show you it on another PPT. First, click on the Insert, then click on Picture. Select a picture and click on Insert. You will see my picture is inserted on my presentation. The next task is Insert Clip Art. The very first step is go to the Insert ribbon, then select Clip Art. Then enter search terms in Clip Art search pane on the right and select Image. I will show you it on my PPT. Firstly, you go to Insert, then click on Clip Art. This is the search bar. Write here something which you want. I write flower. Then click on Go. Take our image. And drag that image to the slide. You will see picture is inserted in my presentation. The next one is Format Pictures. To resize the image, click on the picture to surround the image with a blue box. Drag the corner dot away from the center to make it larger and towards the center to make it smaller. You can see here is a blue dot. Drag it, press and drag it from the center. You will see image is larger. If you drag that dot towards the center, the image will be smaller. So from this function, you can resize your image in your presentation. The next one is Format Fonts. Go to the Home ribbon, then make changes to the font size and style of the text. This Home tab also allows you to change all aspects of the font size and style. You can see and write something here like tech cat. If I want to change style of that text, then you can click here and choose the style of text. You can see I choose Times New Roman. If you want to change the size of text, you can click here and choose the size. You can see here. Here is bold the text, italic, underline, and many more. The next one is insert a header and footer in the presentation. The very first step is go to Insert and then Header and Footer. This dialog box allows to add a date and time on the slide. I will show you. You can see here, first click on Insert, then click on Header and Footer. You can take date and time. You can also format. Choose the format of date and time. I am choosing this. And you can also choose slide number. You can also choose footer and apply to all slides. You can see in this presentation, this is the date, this is the slide number 1, and here is the footer. In footer you can write anything. I am writing jacket. This is the footer of presentation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel TechCat. Thank you.